Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to go over the worst case doomsday scenario for Bitcoin and crypto. Yesterday we went over the bullish scenario, which is my primary, for various reasons, which I'll further explain in this video. But today I just want to hit you guys with what the implications of a bearish count are for BTC and crypto. And we're also going to go over smaller time frame stuff, of course. We're going to zoom in on this, where we're at right now. I'll give you some close-up analysis real quick. So let's get right into this. I mean, and to preface this, guys, over in Discord, we are looking for longs. So don't misconstrue this video. I'm looking for longs right now, at least up to 100K. That's kind of where my head's at. We're going to go over that later in this video. But sitting on the weekly and looking at, the zoomed out view of the chart, what is probably setting up, if this is bearish, if we're going into bear market territory, and I know a lot of you guys don't want to think about that or hear that. Also looking at ETH, I mean, look how low ETH is right now, guys. Look at this. I'm just going to draw this out for you, how it will look. I think a move to 100K is coming no matter what. Give it to us. Come on, give it to us. Either way, if this is bearish, reject up at these levels, work our way down, to this area. I don't think we're going to slice through this like butter. I think some kind of a bounce is coming at these levels. But long story short, if we are cutting this deep, if we're cutting in here, guys, if this is the count, I don't think there's going to be a massive, blow off top reversal like this. I don't believe that's what we're in the middle of. There's going to be good longs down here for sure on the weekly time frame, but I'm envisioning more of something like so. Kind of a head and shoulders type play, if you will, but essentially correcting this whole move. But some would say we're correcting this whole move right here, which is a scary thing, because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. I definitely have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves here, and I can really see this coming down. I mean, for sure under this liquidity, 50K, probably 35K, damn near 20K, guys. It's not out of the realm of possibilities getting a structure like this. This is the doomsday bearish count. I think it's definitely more valid and more probable than a bounce here that just starts ripping up towards 200K plus. I think that will come. There will come a day when that happens, but it's just going to be after a long, drawn-out bear market in 2027, 2028. I'm not worried. I'm a trader. I'm going to make money on these up and downs no matter what. But this would be the structure that I would be looking at bearishly. If I'm looking at BTC in a bearish way, this is it. This is it for me. I already showed you the bullish case, which literally just watch yesterday's video. You'll get the bullish scenario for crypto after you watch this one. Ethereum, also on the weekly time frame. I mean, look how low ETH is right now. If BTC gives us that move up to 100K and then continue dumping to this support level, I can see ETH making a small little move here, rather than the bullish case for me was ETH coming up and barely tapping an all-time high right here. It needs to do it right now, in my opinion. It needs to do it right now. The bottom needs to be in for BTC, for ETH, for crypto. No more lower. No more lower for me for these bullish scenarios. But the bearish case would be just a small little dinky correction while BTC's hitting 100K. And then coming down to the bottom, and if we zoom in, I would be looking at this as a leading diagonal here, in which I'm just going to draw some channel lines. We know leading diags do love to channel. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this, 5, something like this, right? And this final wave is going to be some type of a WXY. And then the flat on BTC, which we're going to go over when we zoom in, is going to be the flat on Ethereum right here. Coming down to the trend line down here, guys, and just tapping this trend line. That's where I got these lines drawn. Just the bottom of this zone right here, upon which, you know, when BTC has its nice retrace, putting in this part of the head and shoulders right here. ETH, you know, don't get me wrong, ETH's gonna have a nice little retrace as well, but I'm gonna be looking at this thing more of a WXY, where, get rid of everything real quick. We got our W wave here, a correction. We have a correction up for X. We have a flat, putting in another correction, correct down. I mean, implications of this bearish count, guys, is coming right back down here. Right back down here. Can you imagine ETH at $200, $300, $400? Because that's where this count is insinuating price is going to go to, if this is the correct count, if we are bearish. If we're entering bear territory right now, right this second, this is what it's looking like for us. With the structure ETH has in, with the structure BTC has in, where ETH topped out at, that's just where it's at. You know, I wouldn't entertain these lower levels if we went and took out all-time high again. If we come up and take out all-time high, yeah, we got a different structure, different story. But with what we have in play, if these are the highs that are set, I have, you know, a flat, maybe a little bit lower to go. We'll correct up and put in WXY right here, to finish out this corrective leg to the downside, and that would get us around $200, $300, $400. That's just where, and that's why I really don't want to be bearish right now, because this is where the counts are leading, in my head, to these lower levels, and it's just not something I really want to entertain at the moment. Until we cut a little deeper here on ETH, until we cut a little deeper here on BTC, or if we get this rejection at 100K and come down here, then yeah, we're gonna really be entertaining this at that point. But for right now, I'm going after the low-hanging fruit, and as a trader, you know, I like to have a nice roadmap of where these counts lead to in the long term, but I'm locked in on the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily at the most time frame, just in here. So we're gonna zoom in there real quick. Before I do that, guys, I do want to announce I put up a $5,000 tournament on Blowfin. Come take my money, $5,000. If you are registered with the Chart Junkies link down below on Blowfin, you're already in this tournament. It's $5,000 prize pool for P&L and volume trading. So come on in, come join the tourney. It's live right now, today. You got 11 days to trade, and come take my money, guys. It's 5,000 bucks. Also, if you haven't signed up yet for Blowfin, I do have the best promotion they have available right now. It's the 100K ladder challenge. You get up to $100,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. Just click the link pinned in the first comment down below. You also get their VIP 1 trading fee tier. BitUnix is my second exchange. They're both no KYC. They are the best no KYC exchanges out. That's why I use both of them. One for swing, one for scalps. That's what I recommend, guys. That's what I recommend. Pretty big deposit bonus on BitUnix as well. Trading volume bonus as well. I really try to get you guys the best sign up promotions to make it worth your time, to get you some free money. Take advantage of those links pinned in the first comment down below. And let's see how good you could trade over on Blowfin, baby. Come on. Come take that $5,000. Let's have a little fun over there. Come on. Let's go smaller time frame on BTC. Nothing has changed for me since last video. I'll tell you right now, guys. I'm still looking at this flat. I've been looking for this flat right here. And basically, the goal of this flat for me, what I want to occur, is to come and just snap out of this trend line. I really want to take the liquidity out of this trend line. There's just too much up here for me, too much. Come grab this liquidity up in here. Come grab this liquidity sitting above the trend line. Let's take it all. Let's take it all. I want correction up, correction down that broke the low, impulsive wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I want. That's what I want. Looking at heat maps, there's some liquidity up here. You know, my primary scenario is some type of an ending diagonal situation, coming up and taking out the highs. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it, guys. I'm fully aware and fully ready, and I'm probably going to short this region regardless, at least for just a corrective move like this to the downside. And if not, maybe try to be a part of a bigger dump for if that bearish case wants to play out. We're not up there yet. Not going to really go over that analysis quite yet. Focused on getting in longs right now. Come join us in Discord, guys. Discord's pinned in the first comment down below. If you want to learn how to trade Elliott, there's a free course in there. There's a premium Discord. Check out what's included in there. I'd love to see you guys over in there on the other side. $20 discount running right now for your first month of premium. Check out Blowfin. Check out BitUnix. Drop a follow on Instagram. My Instagram's linked there as well. Look at that. Come say what's up. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Trade safe, everyone. Love you.